get straight into today's video where I clean and decorate my kitchen for Christmas. This is the last in the Clean and Decorate With Me series that I've created. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below. Let's get into the video. I just start out by wiping down my windows in my breakfast area with the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the scent Orange Clove. So we are in my breakfast area right now, which is not done. You notice we don't have any furniture. So right now it's kind of just a catch-all for anything. I've got my Christmas decorations stacked up here. This is where Millie can stretch out and play. But I'm just going to wipe down these windows before I get ready to put some wreaths on them. I got these gigantic suction cup wreath holders from Hobby Lobby. They work so well, I've used them in the past, but I'm just gonna use one per wreath, put these very natural wreaths with berries on my windows, and keep it simple. Growing up, this is what my mom put in our windows as kids as part of the Christmas decorations for the outside of the house. So I have very good memories. These are actually hand-me-downs from my mom. Thank you so much, Mom. I really do appreciate these decorations, and I think they just create such a classic look. Moving on to my kitchen, I'm just going to wipe everything down to create a clean canvas for me. So it helps me kind of think straight when I'm decorating. That way my mind's not cluttered and I can see what I need to do.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. tree, oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, oh.
I got this cute little red buffalo check window valance from Amazon. I think it turned out really cute. It was a little bit longer than I wanted, so what I ended up doing is just taking some fabric glue to shorten the length so it did not hang quite as low, and it turned out so great. In these next few minutes of the video, I just decorate above my kitchen cabinets. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you enjoy with the Christmas music. Most of these decorations are from Hobby Lobby, but if you have any questions specifically, feel free to message me below, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. guys, thank you so much for watching this last Christmas decorate with me. My name is Mary Lou. I would love it if you would consider subscribing. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I just got done filming my next video where I do Christmas tags 2019 and I answer all kinds of different questions, and it's a chatty get ready with me, so be looking for that video next. But again, thank you for all the love and all the support on my videos. I'm almost to 100 subscribers, and I'm just, I consider myself really grateful, and I'm so thankful to have that many, and I wanted you to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.